morning guys, my name is Edward and today I'm going to show you the unboxing of pre-treatment machine called Pretty Cool.
Alright, tell me a bit about what's pre-treatment machine.
When you do DTG printing like this one,
Alright.
which is direct to carbon printing, you need to have a layer of pre-treatment on top before you print the white. Normally people will use hand spray to do the pre-treatment, but the job is very hassle, very hard to do, and sometimes the quality is not that good.
Leceh lah.
Leceh, yeah.
Okay, leceh, okay.
So to make your life easier, you just get a pre-treatment machine and then let it do everything for you.
Okay.
It's called Pretty Cool because it's pretty cool.
Alright, get it? It's pretty cool.
Yes.
Is it the first or one of the few machines that manufactured in Malaysia?
Machine, this is the only one that is manufactured in Malaysia.
Oh.
We are going to unbox it. You can look at the size. Okay. The box is around 1 meter.
Okay.
80 cm, the size, and the weight is around 65 kg. So it's not that heavy, but you need 2 people to carry it.
Okay.
To unbox this machine, you can get either a knife or scissor, but scissor will be better because you need to cut this string.
Oh, okay. I noticed the packaging is a bit sturdy and I think it's kuat lah.
Yeah, it's what they call honeycomb paper.
Honeycomb paper.
It's very
okay.
strong. It can resist impact.
Okay.
Very tight, so when you are cutting this one, be extra careful. It's not a wooden box, it's a paper box, so it's very environmental friendly. Okay, now are you ready for the machine?
We have sponges to protect it from
the machine from any external impact. Okay, remember to always keep your packaging stuff so that if in the future if you want to transport the machine, it will be much easier for you.
Okay.
Now you can see the machine. Okay, now we are going to move this machine to a table. Whenever you want to look for a table or a stand for your machine, try to get a table that is sturdy and strong. Okay. You don't use any weak goyang shaky table. Okay. So now I'm going to bring this one to the table and I'm going to have my helper. Try to have a table that is at least 80% of the length of the machine.
Okay.
We are going to open the rack. Okay, this is the machine without the wrapping and it's not ready to use yet. You can see we have a few tubes here. Okay, a few knob here. This is touch screen for control. When you open this door, you'll see 2 things. One is 3 bottles. Okay, over here. The other one is a tray. Okay, this is the tray for the bottle. The next thing you need to do is to pull out this tray. You will see this one. It's the platen for pre-treatment. Later you need to install it here onto the machine. This is basically what is inside the machine. Whether you bought it from us in Malaysia or you bought overseas. If you buy from different distributors, maybe you can get something extra like pre-treatments, the inks, etc. will be put inside. But this is just the basic set. get 3 bottles for waste treatments, cleaning solutions, a platen, 2 screws. This is a tube for waste, the power cord, and a tray. For installation, first you install this platen first. Then you will see we have a packet of screw here. Okay, 2 big screw. Okay, so this pattern, okay, you are going to install it the bigger hole. Here, check it out. Have 4 holes, 2 small holes and 2 big holes. You are going to install it to the big holes. Next thing you are going to install it, the big screw just now, from the bottom. This is for the platen. Install the tray for the bottom.
So the platen is done.
Now I'm going to install this tray for the bottles. You can see hooks, 4 hooks here, and 4 holes in the body of the machine. Easy, you just hook it.
Oh.
Okay, done. Okay, now you just place the bottom. For procurement, you place it in front. For the clean solution, you place it in the back. And for waste, it's not placed here. It's placed below the machine. You need this tube. You see, there is fitting here. Okay, you just connect this. Put this here. Like that. So everything, every waste will all go to this bottle. So every supply of treatment will be from this bottle, and seal is from this bottle. The next thing you do is to remove these few cable ties. Let's cut the big one first. Okay, then you'll free your 3 tubes. And you can check out these labels. This is the tube for cleaning solution inlets. So you just put it here first, and this 2 is the pre-treatment outlet and pre-treatment inlet. So both tube you put inside this bottle, the pre-treatment bottle. Okay. The next thing you do is you cut this cable tie. This cable tie is to store the shipping liquid inside. Okay. When we ship this machine, we have shipping liquids to keep the inside moisture. The next tube you need to open is this one. Okay, inside. When you open the cover, you see another tube inside. This is the tube for waste. So you need to open this also and release it. Okay, and then you just place it in here. The machine is ready to be used. One last step, the power cord. Okay, power cord is you install it behind. You install it at the back of the machine. Okay. Just plug it in, on off for the machine. Okay. Now let's plug it in and then try. Okay guys, I already plugged in the power, and then first thing you do, turn it on. This is the touchscreen versions of PTC. Before this, we have another version, which is a more manual versions. Now we upgraded to this LCD version, and with these 3 special knobs. The next thing I would need to tell you is the consumable for these machines. Of course, you need your pre-treatment. Okay, this is a Korean brand from Hongjet. Okay. Next, you need cleaning solutions. We mainly use Mr. Master glass cleaner, or any glass cleaner will be fine. You need to mix this glass cleaner, 1 part of it, with 10 parts of water as the cleaning solutions. It's very simple. You just bring out your cleaning solution bottle, and then mix 1 part of this with 10 parts of water. Okay, for now you have a 4-liter bottle for our bottle, and this Mr. Master, this is around 500 ml. So for 4-liter bottle, you need around 40 ml. So 40 ml is just maybe like this one, this little. Oh, actually, you don't need to be very precise. You just need to mix it. If you mix more, it's good, and if you mix less, you just need to clean more. But Mr. Muscle is good. It's very muscular.
Are you endorsing Mr. Muscle for free?
Yes. Ask them to give me some commissions. Mixture of Mr. Muscle with water.
Alright.
The tube, put them in. Next thing is to get your parchment and then shake it. You see a lot of sediment here. Sediments, okay? You need to shake, mix it back. Okay, after some thorough shaking, okay, when done, just pour them into your parchment bottle and pour them in. Okay, almost there. Water aside. Store it here. Then put the tube back. And now I'm going to explain to you what is the function of these three knobs.
Right.
Okay, this knob is for you to choose between clean solutions and parchment as the input. This is between waste or parchment as the output. This one is for you to choose between you want to circulate the solutions or you want to spray. Okay. After you turn to circulation knobs, the next thing you do, you come here, your options, and then turn this one, pump on. If you want to stop the pump from moving, you can either turn pump off or you choose to spray. Okay guys, we already refilled the parchment, so now we are going to fill in the parchment to the machines to use it. So the first thing you do, you turn this knob, this first knob to parchment, okay? And then the next thing you do, you turn on the pump. Now pump is off,
Okay.
you turn it on. And then open the cover, take a look at this tube. You see it's still transparent.
Okay.
You are going to turn this to circulation until it's slightly white and then turn it back.
Okay.
By doing this, you are push out all of the cleaning solution from the machine before you turn to do circulation to the parchment. Yes. And then now you turn this knob to parchments and then you turn on to circulations. You keep on circulating,
Okay.
like to prep the machines for like few seconds and then done. Turn it back to spray. Now you are going to do purging. Options, purge. Purging. This is to prep the nozzle. This is a good nozzle. If the nozzle is in bad conditions, the fan will not be a straight fan. Sometimes it will be fans with holes, gaps inside. You can either open this cover to look at the nozzle conditions, or the simpler way would be here. We have a piece of viewing window for you. Just flash some light inside. Now the nozzle is good. Your machine has been prepped. Now you are going to pre-treat a shirt. We have XL size shirts. We're going to put it here. The first thing you do is go to your screen. Okay, this is your screen. This is the place where you choose your spraying area. Here you have 4 nozzle choice. One nozzle is about 4.5 inch, and this is the length. Normally for A3, you will sprint 17 or 16 something inch. So most of the case you give it more, like 18. Okay, done. Let's say this is the function that you normally use, the spray you normally use. You can fix it by pressing
For preset.
this preset for a long time. Like, okay, you ask you alright preset 1, yes, save.
Oh.
And you next time and you you just choose it back. Okay, now back to the pattern.
Okay.
This is your XL size. You are going to use 3 nozzle. Okay, so you're going to use 2, 3, 4 nozzle.
Okay.
So nozzle 3 will be the center of your retreat.
You're going to spray around here. So you just push it. Yeah. Okay, then center. And when it's okay, then you push it in. Make sure you close it off.
Okay, now we are going to start to spray. But before you spray, there's one thing you need to check, which is this one. How many ml of pretreatment you are going to spray. For normal clothes, you will go with 20 or 22. Depends on the requirement of your pretreatments. Then you just press spray, and then you will start spray. It's done, and then you can take out the t-shirts. Okay, now the t-shirt has been pre-treated. Let's check the result. As you can see, this one is the pre-treated part. Okay, slightly miss here, but here, at the place that you need to print, the coverage is nice. The line, a good line, okay, even spray. If there is a bad nozzle, you will see gaps in between. But now this is a good pretreatment. The next thing you do, you are going to dry the pretreatment. You press, place your t-shirt here, the front sheets. Remember, when you place the front sheet, place it like this. Don't drag it. You don't want to mess with the pre-treated surface. Okay? The temperature for pretreatments and printing is the same, 170 degree, and the time is 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay. Press it all the way. Open it, peel it off, let the mist place it there, add in, push back, press again for 30 seconds. Double heat press is important to remove all of the fibers on top of the clothes, because most of the cottons, sometimes they have a lot of fibers popping up. You don't want to have the fibers affect your printings. Now, this is the result after press. Okay, if you see slightly boxes, don't worry. This is just due to the temperatures. It will disappear after some time, depend on your clothes. But it's even, it's flat. This is good press. Okay, after you use the pretreatment and it's done for the day, you want to keep it. Okay. You are going to flush out the pretreatments and fill it in with the CL. So the first thing you do is to make sure your CL is full. The next thing you do is make sure your waste is not full, and then you should turn this to clean solution, and then turn this straight away to waste. Make sure your pump is on, okay, and then turn to circulation. Check out this tube until it's clear. When it's clear, it means that the tube now is all CL rather than pretreatments. Turn it back to spray. Then now you are going to do some purging to wash your nozzle. Push off. Okay. And weekly, you need to maintain your nozzle. Every week you need to maintain your nozzle to clean it, to make sure that it's not clogged. So to maintain your nozzle, you need to remove it. The first thing you do is to press this button, auto out. And then you are going to remove your nozzle by turning this green thing. Okay, it's out. 4 of it. Okay, now this is the few things that you need to wash. the filter. Wash this. It's very important to wash it weekly. The thing you do is every week after you use, you are going to immerse this 4 nozzle into a cup of pure Mr. Muscle. And then after sometimes you are going to use the brush to brush it. How you see it at the beginning is how you need to keep it clean every week. Okay. After you wash the nozzle, wash the filter and stuff, you just put it back, kind of like Lego.
The filter first, go in, put this green cap here, turn it. It's very easy to disassemble and assemble, then turn back.
Okay, it's done. You just press auto home, then you go back. Then you just clean your buttons. The tube cleaning, you have to do it daily. Nozzle cleaning weekly. Cool?
Pretty cool, huh, kid?
Okay. So now this is ready to be printed. I will see you guys in my Hongjet unboxing. Bye bye.